Ni mutino urokire kuhaura Kenya kiroko kia umuthi. Riboti cia mucirithania munene David Maraga ukuruhania mutino-ini wa barabara igitherema maceceni-ini undu mwe na nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ta mwaki wa nyeki. Kurumirira undu uyu, munene wa borithi JosephBoinnet nioritie akenya kubanga thabari ciao gatene niguo gwithema na gutengera ndagika ya muthia makiinuka, akiuga mungururio wao ni ukunyitithio thinga makiria.
Be cautious to other road users. For instance, in this case, this other person seemingly just entered the highway without exercising due care and attention.
Ningi ni arutire mukana matereba aria maratwara ngari mari ariu, akiuga ruhonge rwa borithi na ruria rwakora matoigiriki barabara-ini rwa NTSA na irathugunda watho wa gutigira matereba ariu na aria maragara mawatho ma barabara ni mahuka kaimana.
Before you use an undesignated or unlicensed route, one needs to have obtained the necessary authorization from NTSA. And I know they only license or permit or authorize PSV operators whose track record is good.
There are those companies who have applied for what we call temporary license to apply out of the normal routes. We have licensed a few based on their record of safety and the levels of compliance.
Uge wa Boinnet ukite riria andu 21 makuite kurumirira mitino ya barabara kuma tariki 14 mweri-ini uyu, iria ya mwena wa Kaburengu webuye hwae waira ikiuraga andu 14 nayo iria ya Kid County ya Samburu ikiuraga andu 4.
Early this morning we have arrested up to 500 motorists who are in various states of inebriation. And I have given instructions to officers that if you find a person who is clearly drunk, who is above the limit, that says that person is not even fit to drive. So we'll take the license and recommend to NTSA for suspension or cancellation.
Muthenya wa ira, murugamiri munene wa NTSA Francis Meja ni aragwetire atwarithia a bikibiki ario marakua na njira nene mitino-ini ya barabara ona thengia wa gukorwo makiurio gukorwo mari ritho ni honge itiganite.
We still have risks on our highways. We still have drivers who are still careless. We want to appeal to them that we all need to enjoy our festive periods with peace and without injuries and deaths.
Ikiuga farati yaku na ya Mukenya uguo uthie na taratibu na within the law ukimenyaga ati accident iria twi nacio tungituika we na nie tunyitanire no ithire.
Rukauna watho wa bara rungiriria mawatho nigetha ukinya andu acio marathie kuria marathie. Okorwo we utwarithagia matatu twarithia matatu iyo na njira ria yagiriire nigetha ikinyia andu acio we wina personal tiga gutwarithia na over speed eka uria kwagiriire.
Kuringana na NTSA atwarithia a bikibiki 552 nio makuite mwaka uyu ukiringithanio na 464 mwaka mwituku. Matereba a ngari 288 magikua mwaka uyu ukiringithanio na 295 mwaka mwituku, na wathia a maguru 1125 magikua mwaka uyu gukiringithanio na 1004 mwaka mwituku. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV njitaga Mau wa Mwangin.